Hello guys, my name is Naveed and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss how artificial intelligence can play a very positive role in the environment, how artificial intelligence can save the humanity and animals and wildlife. So first we'll discuss how we can stop poachers to save the wildlife. So first of all, we discuss the Kafue National Park of Zambia. Actually, it is the home of more than 6,600 African savanna elephants, and it covered 22,400 kilometers square. So stopping poaching is a very big logistic challenge. With the help of GRI is the Game Rangers Internationals and Zambia department, they using AI to enhance the conventional anti-poaching efforts, creating a 19-kilometer virtual fence across the lake. So FLIR, forward-looking infrared thermal cameras, record every boat that crossing in and out of the park day and night. Actually, they installed the camera in 2019. They installed the camera in 2019 that were monitored manually by the rangers. So at that time, there was no artificial intelligence. The manual rangers actually respond, okay, this is the sign of illegal activity. This is legal activity. But by the using of FLIR, forward-looking infrared thermal cameras, is automatically trained to detect the boats. Just like, we train the CNN, okay, these are the boats image, these are not the boats. So they train the artificial intelligence model that automatically detect boat entering the park. So it increased the effectiveness and reduced the need for constant manual surveillance. Actually, so it saved a lot of time and a lot of efforts. So AI is a game changer. It can monitor for illegal boat crossing and alert team immediately. This technology has enabled a handful for rangers to provide around the clock surveillance of massive illegal entry point across the lake. Next thing is, we will discuss about Brazil. Actually, Brazil has lost more than 15% of its surface water. So in the past 30 years, a crisis that has only come to light with the help of AI. So they find this percentage only with the help of artificial intelligence. Otherwise, it was very difficult for the Brazil to find this figure. So Brazil has lost more than 15% of its surface water in the past 30 years. So a crisis that has come into light with the help of only artificial intelligence. So, but no one knew the scale of problem until the last August, when using ML, the MAP Biomass Water Project released its result after processing more than 150,000 images generated by NASA Landsat 5, 7, and 8 satellite from 1985 to 2020 across the 8.5 million square kilometer of the Brazilian territory. So without the AI, researcher couldn't, you can say it was unable to analyze water change across the country at the scale and level of detail they needed. So without AI and machine learning technology, they were unable to know the how situation is serious. So the challenge of this loss of surface water process to Brazil is incredible biodiversity and communities. Okay, next we discuss about the koalas. So Australia koalas population are in serious decline due to the habit of destruction, domestic dog attacks, road accident, and bushfires. So without the knowledge of their numbers and whereabouts, saving them is very challenging. So using drone and infrared imaging, AI algorithm rapidly analyze the infrared footage and determine whether a heat signature is a koala or another animal. AI algorithm, the powerful AI algorithm able to analyze countless hours of video footage and identify koala from many other animals in the thick bushland. So that's it for today. If you want to just update yourself from the artificial intelligence news in day-to-day life, just click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you didn't miss any update from my channel. Let's meet another video.